What up, fellas? Today we're on Town Lake going for some bedfish. I'm gonna be fishing with bull shooter and the K9 probably, and a jig. Hopefully I can crank on some bass and hopefully I catch a big one. All right, homemade power poles. Why can't I stay in one spot? All right, let's see if I can get in.
So you get the finger?
Yes, but hold on. Oh.
I see it.
Oh, you see him? He nipped at it. Oh, had him. Thick guy already. First 3 minutes of fishing, already got a bass, probably 1 pound. You can eat them, but I would throw it back at this time of year because they're like laying eggs. We're gonna put you back, guy. See you, guy. That was sick. Oh, follower, look at him. Followed it up. That was a pretty decent sized dog. Damn it, dude. I'll just throw him around. Jeez, 2 pounder. Not bad, not bad. That took way too long though. Oh baby. See you, buddy. Gone. That took an hour. Jeez. Oh, that's a big dog. He got a big dog. Dude, that's at least 6. Probably bigger, honestly. She was on that bed?
Yeah.
That's a huge bed. You got a scale?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go 6'10".
Oh my gosh.
782.
There you go.
I didn't think she was that big in the water.
Wow, that's huge.
Dude, that's
Oh my gosh, I
that's
want the
massive.
picture. Oh.
That took too long. Oh my god, that was ridiculous.
She looks massive in these photos.
Alright.
Eat it, he's gonna eat it, he's gonna eat it. Come on, man, come on. Right here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Alright. There we go. Upgrade. Upgrade, baby. Let's go. Bigger than the last one for sure. So we went from Dinkerface Dam, 2-pounder, 2.5-pounder. That guy caught a 8-pounder, so we're nowhere near him, but hopefully, man, hopefully. Look at that. Big dogs. Let me see. Oh yeah. All right. See you, big dog. Oh, you got that. Mama, watch. I'm gonna get a big dog. There he is. On the bull shooter there. 2-pounder. Not bad. I honestly thought he was bigger though. See ya, buddy. He's right in front of me. Thanks. Another 2-pounder. That's my 5th. Maybe not 2 pounds, but pretty darn close. See ya, buddy.